Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super practical. How to get money off your JPay card in 2025. If you're dealing with JPay for inmate communications or family support, you know how important it is to access your funds quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a JPay card? It's a prepaid card linked to the JPay system, used for sending and receiving money in correctional facilities. With updates in 2025, the process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Step 1. Make sure you have the JPay app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it for free. Once you're in, log in with your account credentials. Security is key here, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Step 2. Navigate to the Funds or Wallet section in the app. This is where you'll see your available balance. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually front and center. Step 3. Choose your withdrawal method. In 2025, JPay has expanded options like direct bank transfers, linking to debit cards, or even cash withdrawals at select locations. Select the one that works best for you and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be small fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 4. Verify your identity. JPay prioritizes security, so you'll need to confirm with a PIN, email, or even a quick biometric scan if your device supports it. Once verified, hit confirm, and your request will be processed, usually within minutes for digital transfers. A quick tip. Always check for any updates to JPay's policies, as things can change. If you're having issues, reach out to their customer support through the app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your money off your JPay card in no time. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tips on everyday tech and finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.